Hey guys, today a package came by, but my dad said he was gonna buy one single thing, but the box is so big. Like, it's so big. Why is this box so big? How is this supposed to be one thing? Maybe it's like a ramp, I don't know. It might be a ramp or something. Okay, let's open this. Okay. Let's see. Yo, why so big? We got a board here, so it looks pretty cool. Free stickers. And some paper, that's all. Then why would you make the box so big? It makes no sense. You made the box big to put some paper? Okay, let's set this board up then. Yo, this deck looks so cool. I don't think these blue wheels match this so much, so I'm gonna put other wheels on it. Okay, set the board at the side, grip tape, nail file, bushings, wheels here, some blue sticker here, trucks, okay, do these away. Now I'm gonna begin with the grip tape. I gotta do this perfectly. Okay, let's get the nail file. I can't leave these small parts on the side. Okay, to punch the holes in, you get a truck do it from this side. Now I know where the hole is. Or I don't. Where is it? Is there just no hole? There we go. If you get one hole, the others are easy. Okay. Now we do the trucks on. I first put the screws here. And not on this one. Gotta bolt them in. Oh, already got two. That's a good sign. I am gonna... Oh, my black wheels are done. I'll get the ones from here, because this looks way cooler. Now for the second truck. I'm finally done. Now I don't want to put these blue wheels on here. It won't match. So I'm gonna take these blue wheels off of this. I mean, black. And last one. Okay. We're gonna put these black wheels on this. Would this look better? Or with these? Yeah, no, black wheels look way better. Okay, we are done. I think this looks pretty cool. Let's get these. Let's get every single piece away here. Yeah, this is good. Okay. So make sure to like the video. Bye.